Hi Internet friends, it's Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions with a quick bonus tip today of how to get textures, the texture file, and share that with another user, whether another Chief Architect user or possibly another, like you've exported to 3ds Max and you want to send this texture to them. This question was posed on Facebook by Blake. Trying to share a texture with a 3ds user. One way is to export the model. So if you export backup. There we go. Backup entire plan would be one way to get it. You back up the entire plan and don't send to zip. So that would export all of the textures and you could find the texture there. Another way is I'm going to find this James Hardie Rich Espresso texture. And you'll notice that in this file, it's in a zip file, jameshardy.zip, and it's select Cedar Mill Rich Espresso. Under Program Data, Chief Architect Premier X14, Referenced Files. So I'm going to select that reference files path, and I'm going to go to my file browser and paste that in here. And there's all the zipped files that are referenced for textures. So if I hit J for James Hardie, I could copy that. Let's say copy that, Control C to my documents, and let's paste that here, and let's extract all. Now, this is if it comes in a library that you downloaded off of Chief Architect. So let's see, James Hardie, hit R for, there we go. What's the name of it? Select Cedar Mill Rich Espresso. Select Cedar Mill. There it is. Select Cedar Mill Rich Espresso, and you can send that off and then delete this folder if you wish. All right. The other option is, say, like I do sometimes, is grab a, that texture is missing, grab a screenshot and create a, I don't know what the case might be, but create a texture with that screenshot. I'm going to right click this. So this is a self-made option, open object, self-made texture. And if I go to browse, for some reason that takes me to documents MROC. I don't know why. So I'm just going to select that path and go back to my file browser and paste up here. And this was called New Material 29. There we go. There's that file. I hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, leave a comment below. Otherwise, please leave encouragement, click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care.